गोंयांत पर्यटन मोसम चालू आसा. चडशे पर्यटक दिल्ली, हैदराबाद, बेंगलोर आनी मुंबयच्यान आयिल्ले दिसतात. पूण गोंयांत पर्यटकांची जितली आस्त आशिल्ली ते प्रमाण हजेर दिसना. भायल्या देशांतल्या लोकांनी स्लॉट लेगीत मागिल्ले, पूण कोविडाचे बदलते परिस्थितीचेर फाटभुंयेर ते रद्द केले, जाका लागून गोंयच्या पर्यटक मोसमाक बरोच धपको बसतलो. TTAचो अध्यक्ष सावियो मेसेसान सांगले.
We were happy. Initially, we were very happy that the charters were starting, but they don't look promising because the situation is very fluid. Nobody knows when government will introduce stronger SOPs. We don't know when flights will be cancelled. As it is for New Year, lots of flights, international flights have been cancelled. So it doesn't look very exciting. Now we just have to wait and watch and hope the fourth wave does not affect the business. It becomes very inconvenient also for the travelers, and especially the people when they're coming in big numbers. You know, they have to stand in long queues for RT-PCR, wait for the result. It's not a happy start to your holidays. So,
what changes should be done to streamline things?
well, nothing can be done right now. Nothing can be done right now because we don't know. Like for example, today Europe. The situation is bad in Europe. We don't know what's going to happen in India. We don't know what's now. The only charters are coming from Russia. I mean, not from Russia, from Kazakhstan. But we don't know what is going to be the situation in Kazakhstan in a few days' time. So it's very, very fluid. We just have to keep our fingers crossed and hope that things improve.
You think there should be more charter flights coming from other European countries, Russia and all that?
Russia is out of the question now because Russia is very badly hit by the pandemic, and other countries also. The British bookings were very encouraging in the beginning. In fact, they were thinking of 5 flights in a week. They are already confirmed 2, but now they have had to cancel their flights.
The 49 slots, that was asked by the same charter from Kazakhstan.
Yeah, they've asked for many slots. All of them have booked slots. I don't think slots is going to be a problem. Because at one point of time we had like 60 flights coming in, international flights in a week, 60 to 70. Whereas now we just have one a week, 1 or 2. So slots should not be a problem.
So despite all the charter flights, you still think that the tourist season is not very exciting?
No, the domestic season is doing very well. I would say the domestic season has been excellent. Now we have to see, but also cancellations are gradually coming in. There's about 3 to 5% cancellations coming in these days.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले.